I'm so jet-lagged. Jet-lagged? Is that how you say it? Hello! Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a very, very informal intro because I feel so jet-lagged. So for today's video, we're going to be doing the punch needle rug, and my boyfriend is going to do me the huge favor of going to Dollar Tree for... Wait, what am I asking for?
Stapler.
Oh yeah, for a stapler because I needed to staple the cloth onto the canvas. So when he's back with that, I'll go ahead and get started. But for now, I'm just gonna take a little break because I just ate, and when I eat, I just get el mal del puerco. I don't even know how to say it in English. The curse of the pig. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Karina Berenice. Welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any of my fabulous jet-lagged videos. This is some good lighting. Wow. I'm gonna start doing my intros here. So it's obviously much later. I obviously took my nap. That's why I look like this. But it's fine, because you're like my best friend, and best friends see each other like this after a Sunday morning when you had a really good time that previous Saturday night. So it's fine. So I still decided that I'm gonna do the rug. But first I'm gonna put some comfy clothes, do my skincare routine, and just in general look a little bit more presentable for you. So just give me 1 or 2 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, hi. I put on my cute little sweater with my sweats. I'm renewed. I feel so much better. I feel freshened up. Come here. Frost, no! I did my skincare routine. I'm ready to go. So I kind of want coffee, but it's too late for coffee. So should I do wine? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a cup of wine. I mean, it's gonna be a chill, cute, grandma doing kind of shit like kind of night. And obviously we need wine for this. So go ahead and grab your wine, girl, and we'll cheers together.
2 shots of vodka.
I think that was a lot. I remember when I was back in college, when I was not able to afford much, I would drink box wine, and that shit is the worst. Cheers to being a little bit more grown up, being able to afford Stella Rose. Cheers to that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so that was a fail. So we're obviously gonna need a lot of yarn. As you can see here, I have a lot. Most of it, I bought it at the thrift store. You're gonna need some monk cloth, the punch needle. I'm gonna use a canvas. What I'm gonna be doing is taking out the canvas and then putting the cloth in here. So that's why I need the stapler to put the cloth, if that makes sense. You're gonna need a stapler and some staples. And shout out to my boyfriend because he was so kind enough to go for them while I was sleeping. So we're gonna first start by putting the cloth onto the canvas. No, it has this right here. And I don't think I have anything to like break it. Okay, so I decided that I'm just gonna rip it off. I mean, I'm not an artist. I don't really care about this stuff. Oh, that felt good. I promise I'm not psycho, you guys. That was satisfying. I need to take this one out. Let me see the back. So he was able to take the middle part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and staple the cloth into this frame. This is the monk's cloth. This is the type of fabric you need. I mean, I'm not too familiar with anything, so I'm not gonna try and explain. Okay, so it took a while because the fucking stapler was not coping with me, but this is how it turned out. You're supposed to put the cloth very tight together so it's easier for you to work with. Some of the staplers are coming off. Okay, so once you're done with this step, now it's time to draw. So it has been like an hour. I didn't think this would take me that long, but honestly, I think it was the hardest part. I mean, I still haven't done the rest, but it was hard, okay? So after all, I decided to just go with my gut and just draw and just go with it. And this is what I came up with. You're not gonna understand because I don't even understand what's going on. I just labeled it with numbers instead of colors because I don't even know what colors I'm gonna pick. I mean, it's a little groovy, funky, and that's all that I want in this life right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because I think it's gonna take forever. So I ordered these at Amazon. They come with two, which I think it's pretty good. It was like $8. And when I was at Hobby Lobby, it was like $8 just for one. So I think it was a pretty good deal. I'm gonna be linking everything down below. This is the punch needle and it comes with this little wire. So this is the top of your needle. You're gonna put the little wired hoop through the top and it's gonna come out through the bottom. So now you're gonna get your yarn and put it through the hoop where you're gonna pull. You're done with this and now you're just gonna put the yarn through this little hoop right there. And now you're ready to punch needle. These are gonna be the colors, very vibrant, very pretty. I am so excited. I mean, I'm obviously not an expert at this. That's why I'm just saying this is not a tutorial. This is a fun paint and wine art kind of night, except that it's not paint, it's needle punch.
Ugh. Why? How? Why does it keep unraveling? Am I doing it wrong? Fuck this. Not as easy as it sounds. Son of a bitch. Maybe if I look behind, I give up. I am done. Bye.
So today was a total fail. I don't know if I'm getting too much up in my head that it's not letting me. So I'm just gonna try it tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna be a little bit more fresh, coffee, good energy. At least I know what I'm getting myself into. Cause I thought it was easier, but nope. This is a realistic motherfucking tutorial.
Not a tutorial.
Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Look at this. And I'm gonna tell you some things I learned. The first thing, you need to keep stapling the cloth onto the frame because when you're doing the punching, they come out really easily. So if you're using a very ordinary stapler, you need to keep doing that. So you saw yesterday that it was not working for me, and it's because, again, the cloth was too loose on me. So you have to make sure that your cloth is really tight because if you keep it loose, it's gonna keep unraveling. Second, this is the front of your rug. As you can see, it has like the texture to it, and this is your working area. When you're stapling the cloth, you want to work backwards. So you would think this is the front because this is the frame, but no. This is where you're going to draw whatever you want to do and where you're gonna be actually punch needling. And third, you're gonna take forever. Anyways, this is how it's looking. I started with this color first and this is my second. And I'm gonna go on to the third color, which is gonna be this very beautiful green. So you need to first start by punching the cloth. and taking the end of the yarn through the other side like this. Take it out. As soon as the tip is out, you're gonna start punching. Because if you bring it too up, this is what's gonna happen. But it's okay, don't worry about it. Cause see, the holes are really easy to close in this type of cloth, and that's why it's special for needle punch. Also, this is your front part, and this is your back. So whatever direction you're going, you need to be pointing this at that direction. One last thing before starting this next color, I need to make sure that there's a lot of loose yarn, because if it's too tight, it's gonna keep unraveling. So if you see that you're having trouble and you can't keep going forward because it comes back, it's probably because you need to loosen your yarn a little bit more again. What you can also do to tighten your cloth is push it a little bit so the holes become smaller. And again, if you make a mistake, you can always just go back, fix the holes, pull your yarn a little bit so the tip is touching the cloth, and you can start all over again. So I'm gonna be putting the green color in this area right here. But if I wanna work in sections, I can also do that. In this case, I'm gonna close it here, and I'm gonna pull the needle, and I'm gonna change directions. And then this way so I can close it. And then again, changing directions downwards. Remember to keep your yarn loose. In this area right here, I want to fill out this even further. So what I can do, I can always just go back to it, because at the end of the day, you don't even know where the yarn is going. So I'm just going to go in between right here because I want to fill it out even further. And now I can just cross the needle over to this section right here. You're not going to be able to see that it was crossed. Okay, so when you're done, what you want to do is pull the yarn in the back. You're going to cut it, and you're just going to pull your needle. And right here, these are the little strings. This one's the one that I began with, and this one's the one that I ended with. The only thing that you have to do is cut them as well. And it is as simple as that. This is how it's looking so far. I am loving it so much. I love the colors. I still have to add the yellow and the orange. It's gonna look so pretty. As you can see, I started this, but I still have to finish. And these other gaps right here. Hello, it's me from the future. So I started this project on Sunday night, and today is Friday afternoon. So I'm doing this so you don't have to do it, because every YouTuber sells it as it's very easy, it's so fun, but damn, it's not. If you don't have miscellaneous time, I wouldn't recommend it. Because, I mean, I'm not even working. And you can say I have the time of my life. And not even like that, I was able to finish it. Let me just show you really quick. Hi. This is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful, yes, so pretty, look at that. But I still have these white spots that I need to finish. And I just don't want to wait until I finish this to upload the video, so I'm just kind of like, what should I do? But yeah, I just want to give you a little update. Today is Friday afternoon, and hopefully I finish it by today, so when I upload it tomorrow, it's ready to go. Okay, that's all. Bye! Stop recording. Oh my god, guys. The day has arrived. I never thought it would. I just have this one little piece I have to finish, and it will officially be done. Power mode. If my boyfriend can do it, so do you. But I'm just saying, it's really time consuming.
Oh my god.
That's why I handed it to him.